Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're gonna do something exciting and amazing. Why? Like for instance, when you have your Huawei Wi-Fi modem B315, and also you have a D-Link which you're not using. This is a D-Link. This modem is not the same as the Huawei modem. It's a D-Link modem, but now this one, it doesn't use it can only use a SIM card. You get me? So that's the thing. So since it uses a SIM card, but after when you use a what, you must use at least what they call a 3G dongle or a 4G dongle. So now we don't have that, but then we have our our Wi-Fi modem here called B315 Huawei. I think you know, all guys, you know this modem. So it looks like this, but now I lost one of the antenna, you understand? So I don't have that antenna, so, and I don't have signal, so that's why you can see I did that. So I realized that you can use the antenna from a D-Link, then you convert it to be the one for Huawei B315. What do you do and how do you do that? Let me get this for you. I'm gonna unscrew this out, then I want to show you something, the difference and what you must do to achieve that. The difference here is like this. This one, the one for Huawei, it has a pin inside. I guess you can see that pin inside. Okay, but then remember, we want to take this the one for D-Link to put it on Huawei. How does it work? Because this one doesn't have a pin inside, so we managed to get one trick. Okay, we take it out from there. Then this one, you can see it's round, it's not like that shape. It doesn't have a pin inside. What does it have? It has a hole inside, you get me? But to the amazement, once you put it here, they have the same thing, it does fit well. But remember, since there is no pin, you're not going to get the signal. That's the thing, that's the mere fact. So now how do you do to hack into that? You unscrew this out, right? Then what you do, since you need a pin here, since this one has a pin, so remember, I want to put this here and also this here, but this one, the one I got from D-Link, this D-Link modem, you know, this one mostly they come under Telcom. It doesn't have a pin, so the pin is now the issue. So but now this thing fits in nicely. So what we do, you get, you know, a satellite dish cable. Okay, so you peel it off, you get me? So you get that, you see that pin which is for the satellite dish cable. So what you do, you put this on top, and then there's that hole, you put that into that hole. Let me try to do that. I wonder if you're gonna be seeing what I'm gonna do, but I'll show you anyway, because I'm using the phone to record this. I don't want you to lose that thing. Okay, you might not see everything, but you're gonna see whatever I'm gonna do. Okay, this, so you put it in here. You want to put the pin inside here. You can see I put the pin inside there. It's not easy, you see it's bending, doesn't want to be in there. Okay, once you manage to target it and press it inside, while you're rolling it. Once it's like this, you can see now we're fine. So what you do, you get a pliers, and I'm gonna show you. You get this is trying to be crazy. Okay, I'm gonna get you something. I wanna put this to not to avoid falling, but still we want to still get. Okay, you get pliers like this, you can see. So what you do, you cut this pin. exactly on the edge there where it ends. So once we cut it there, okay, you have cut this already, you can see this is fine. So since that is fine, now what do we have? Now we have our pinned telecom antenna for what? For Huawei, but for what? For Netgear, so for D-Link. So what you do, you can press it on the wall like this a bit so that you make the pin go inside. So once the pin is inside, you press it, and if you can cut it a bit more so that it doesn't come out like this, because if we look on the original thing, the pin doesn't even come outside. You can see the pin is here, this on the original stuff, you see it doesn't come outside. So press it inside, press it, then you might come out with something like exactly like this. You can see, okay, once you like that, then you can start putting that there. Make sure it targets that hole. You press it in and you start rolling in tight. I'm done with that. Once I'm done with that, then some things are going on. You can see it went out, which is not bad. Anyway, it's okay. See, this is the pin, so the pin went out, so I'm going to put it back. I pressed it a lot, pressed this too much. Okay, I'm going to take it out first. What happened here? You can see even I don't have signal here. It's red. Everything is red, but soon it's going to be in the right color. You can see it's red. Once you see the right colors, you can see even the signal is 0 here. The bars as 0. So I'm going to put it right. Okay. Okay. First of all, I'm going to take it out, then I'll try to fix what went wrong. Guys, I've fixed that, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this as we did say. Okay, mistake I was doing, I was pressing it too hard. Okay, that's done. Then we use another thing, antenna here, which is not the one we used before. So okay, once we're done with that, then we're gonna wait for our signal to come back. Everything should be fine now. Waiting for the signal to come back, guys. should come back as soon as possible. So then we're gonna say that we have converted a what, a D-Link what antenna into a Huawei what B315 antenna. So that's the thing that fell off. So yeah, that's what we're waiting for. Let's wait a bit. It's gonna work, guys, soon it's gonna work. Gonna be working soon. We give it some time. We should see bars here. It should come here for the signal. Should work. If it doesn't work, then you have to go to your computer to set them up, to set the antennas up. Okay. Or sometimes you can switch off your modem, then you switch it back. Let me switch it off. I'm gonna switch it off and switch it back on. Okay, I've done that. I took out the power, then I switch back the modem. Okay, let's give it time. We see we only have the light for power. The internet is green, red. Okay, yes, you can see, guys, it needed a reboot. Now it's fine, 100%. We're using a what, we converted this what D-Link antenna into a Huawei B315 antenna. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.